Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix a frozen PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. Now, if you're playing a game and your game is frozen, what you could try doing is pressing the PlayStation button and seeing if the menu here still pops up. And then you can go to the home screen here and you can go to the game and you can close the game and simply restart it. Now, if you're unable to access the home screen on the PlayStation 5, locate the power button on the front of the PlayStation and hold this down for like 30 seconds. And this should restart your PlayStation 5. Now, it went ahead and restarted right away, but for you, you probably will want to go ahead and hold this down much longer until it turns off. Now, after 30 seconds, if it doesn't turn off, simply unplug your PlayStation 5 from the wall outlet. So I'm going to turn my PlayStation 5 around now and unplug it. However, if your PlayStation 5 is still on when you unplug it, you might lose some of your game data. So just be prepared, like if you have any kind of unsaved games or anything like that. So leave it unplugged for about 1 to 2 minutes and then plug the PlayStation 5 back in. And you will probably get a screen that says repairing console storage now, because your PlayStation 5 was turned off improperly. And you can just bypass that screen and it will repair the console storage. But this shouldn't damage the PlayStation 5 if it just happens once. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.